हेलो स्टूडेंट्स 11th स्टैंडर्ड बायोलॉजी के फर्स्ट चैप्टर द लिविंग वर्ल्ड उसमें एक छोटा सा टॉपिक है विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज टेक्सोनॉमिक कैटेगरी। तो आज हम वो पढ़ेंगे। सो टेक्सोनॉमिक कैटेगरी क्या है? इट इज़ अ लेवल और अ ग्रुप इन क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम दैट हेल्प्स ऑर्गेनाइज द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म। तो ये हमें ये बताते हैं कि कैसे बेस्ड ऑन द कैरेक्टर्स एनिमल्स आर ग्रुप्ड इन क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम। So this category starts with a broad group at top like kingdom, उसके बाद phylum, then class, order, family, genus and at the last species. So this naming system, which is also known as Linnaean system of taxonomy, was created by a botanist Carl Linnaeus in 18th century. जो भी ऑर्गेनिज्म अभी तक डिस्कवर्ड हुए हैं उनको साइंटिफिक नेम दिया गया है। Like for example, us, the human beings, we have given a name Homo sapiens. But why only Homo sapiens? So let us understand this. So living organism has classified into 5 kingdoms. Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae and Kingdom Animalia. Of these 5, the 2 main diverse kingdoms are Plantae, which includes all the plants, and kingdom Animalia, which includes animals. Now this kingdom Animalia is divided into phylum. After the kingdom comes the phylum. So kingdom Animalia is divided into phylum non-chordata. जिस एनिमल के पास वर्टिबल कॉलम नहीं है उनको नॉन कॉर्डेट्स में कैटेगराइज किया है, एंड द एनिमल्स हैविंग वर्टिबल कॉलम आर कैटेगराइज्ड इनटू phylum chordata. So human being fall under the phylum chordata because उनके पास vertebral column है. Phylum chordata have 5 classes: class species, class amphibia, class reptilia, class aves and class mammalia. Class species includes all the fishes. Class amphibia include frogs, toads. Class reptilia includes snakes, lizard, crocodile. Class aves are the animals which can fly. And class mammalia are the animals which have mammary glands, which feed their young ones through mammary glands. After the class comes the order. Class mammalia has many orders, but among them these are few examples like Monotremata. These are the mammals which lay eggs. Then order Marsupialia. These are the mammals which give birth to premature young one. Then order Primates, us, human beings, chimpanzees, gorillas. Then order Chiroptera. These are the mammals which can fly. And order Cetacea. These are the mammals which live in the aquatic system. Now human beings fall under the order Primates. Within the order Primates comes the family, like family Hylobatidae, which includes lower apes like gibbons. Then the family Lemuridae, which is known as the first primates on the earth. And family Hominidae, our family, which includes great apes. Moving down, we have different genus under the family Hominidae. That is genus Homo, genus Pan and genus Gorilla. Genus Homo, which is characterized by increasing brain size. Genus Pan, which includes all the chimpanzees. And genus Gorilla, which has many gorilla species. Genus Homo has many species like habilis, erectus, neanderthalensis and sapiens. Among these, the first 3 species are extinct and only Homo sapiens is the current existing single species on the earth. So in summary, humans are classified within kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Primates, family Hominidae, genus Homo एंड स्पीशीज सेपियंस। तो ये क्लासिफिकेशन हमें ये बताते हैं कि एक ऑर्गेनिज्म कैसे इवॉल्व हुआ है। सो दिस इज हाउ वी गिव एनी ऑर्गेनिज्म अ साइंटिफिक नेम बेस्ड ऑन द हायरार्किकल लेवल विच इज कॉल्ड एज टेक्सोनॉमिक कैटेगरी। सो मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द रूल्स ऑफ नोमेनक्लेचर, वी हैव बाइनोमियल नोमेनक्लेचर. So binomial nomenclature is the naming of an organism, or there are some rules we have to keep in mind while giving a scientific name to an organism. The first point is the binomial nomenclature. The scientific name should have two components. That is, one is genus and another one is the species. So binomial means two. So binomial nomenclature should have two components, that is genus and the species. Second point is, the genus name always begins with a capital letter, whereas the species name always begins with a small letter. The third point, the genus and species name should be separately underlined if they are handwritten, and it should be in italic form if it is printed or it is typed. For example, here we have written the scientific name of human being, that is Homo sapiens. The H of Homo is capital, whereas the sapiens starting with a letter S, that is species name, starts with a small letter. This binomial nomenclature has two components, that is genus and species, capital letter of the genus and a small letter of the species. Then fourth point is, the scientific name of organism is generally followed by the name of the person who described the species and the year. Okay, so if a person has discovered one species and he wanted to name a scientific name, or he wanted to give a scientific name to that discovered species. So after the scientific name, there should be the name of the author or the scientist, whoever has described the species and the year in which the species has given a scientific name. So today in this video we have learned how the taxonomic category naming should be according to the hierarchical level, and what are some of the rules in the nomenclature. We will revise it again, that binomial nomenclature should have two components, that is genus and a species. Genus name should begin with a capital letter, whereas the species name should be start with the small letter. Both the genus and the species name should be separately underlined if it is handwritten, or it should be in an italic form if it is printed. Then the scientific name of the organism should be followed by the person who described that species and the year of the discovery.